everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this beautiful cable stitch pattern. You can use this pattern in your gents sweater, lady sweater. This is the way it looks like. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 10 rows repeat pattern, but before 10 rows you need to knit 2 base rows and then you will start the repeat. So this is 10 rows repeat pattern and you will need to cast on multiples of 16 plus 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 16 plus 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So I have 18 stitches on my needle. For the demonstration I have 18 stitches on my needle, which is 16. I have only one repeat, which is 16 plus 2 edge stitch 18. So before you start the repeat, first we're gonna knit 2 base rows and then we'll start the repeat. So this is the first base row. Knit your edge stitch right side, right? First base row right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, purl 2 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 1, purl 2 and knit 1. Again knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. One more repeat. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. So we have done all repeats from here to here and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2, second base row wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Again repeat that again. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. One more repeat. Purl 1, knit 2 and purl 1. Your last edge stitch slip on the wrong side. So we have done 2 base rows here. Now start the repeat from here. So for first row, row 1 right side, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 5 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. We have only one repeat. For repeat pattern we have done knit 1, purl 5, 2, 4, 5, knit 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and knit 1. This is the repeat pattern. See, knit 1, purl 5, knit 1, purl 5, knit 4, purl 5, knit 1 and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then purl 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5. Sorry, purl 1, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and purl 1. And your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 3. For row 3, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4, and here these two and this one, we're going to twist these two to the right way. So bring this two here from the front side, and from these three knit 2 and purl 1. Knit on edge stitch, purl on purl stitch. And here we're gonna, from these three, we're gonna twist these two to the left way. So bring this one purl stitch here from the back side, and from these three purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, knit 2, see, and purl 3, sorry, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 4 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 4, 1, yes, purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then twist 3 to the right way, twist 3 to the left way, and purl 4 and knit 1. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4, wrong side. Your edge stitch slip on the wrong side and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, purl 1, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 2, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and purl 1. And your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch knit through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 3, and twist these 3 to the right way, twist these 2 to the right way, and bring this stitch here, these 2 here and this one here. So and from these 3 knit 2, 1, 2, and then purl 1, and here purl 2, 1, 2, and here twist these 3 to the left way. So bring this one purl stitch here from the back side, and purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, and then purl 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and knit 1. And your edge stitch knit on the, that's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 3, twist 3 to the right way, here purl 2, twist 3 to the left way, and then purl 3, knit 1. Your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 6. For row 6, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 3, 1, 2, 3 and then purl 1. Your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 7. For row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 2 and twist these 3 to the right way. So bring this 2 here from the front side. And from these 3, knit 2, purl 1. And here purl 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Purl 4, twist 3 to the left way. Bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side. And purl 1, knit 2. And purl 2, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, purl 2, twist 3 to the right way, purl 4, 2, 4, twist 3 to the left way, purl 2, knit 1 and edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 8, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 2, 1, 2 and knit 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Knit 6, purl 2, knit 2 and purl 1 and your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. Row 7. Now for row 7, knit your edge stitch through the back loop and start the repeat from here. Knit 1, purl 1 and twist 3 to the right way. Bring this 2 here from the front side. Knit 2, purl 1 and here purl 6, 2, 4, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist 3 to the left way and here purl 1, knit 2 and then purl 1 and knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, twist 3 to the, knit 1, purl 1, twist 3 to the left way, purl 6, 2, 4, 6, twist 3 to the left way, purl 1, knit 1 and your edge stitch knit 1. Row 10, slip your edge stitch and start the repeat from here. Purl 1, knit 1, purl 2, knit 2, 4, 6, 8, knit 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, purl 2, knit 1, purl 1 and your edge stitch slip on the wrong side. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. Now repeat this 10 rows, row 1 to row 10 over and over again until you reach your desired length. So and after your few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.